That easy. AutoCAD Custom Workspace. To create a custom workspace in AutoCAD, we'll need to have a drawing file open. It could be any drawing file, new or pre-existing. However, to avoid possible confusion, I suggest opening a new file. So, let's click on the icon in the upper left corner. Now let's left-click on the New option. The Select Template window will open. In this window, and in the Templates folder, if you don't have our custom, that easy, template yet, I suggest opening the AutoCAD template. Let's double left-click on its icon, and a new drawing file with AutoCAD template will open immediately. In AutoCAD, to create a custom space, you can do it from a copy of one of the workspaces that the program has by default. From what we've seen in the previous tutorial, the current workspace is Drawing and Annotation. Let's use this workspace to create our custom space. Let's click on the arrow icon in the Customize Quick Access toolbar. Let's look for the Workspace option and click on it. Let's now unfold this drop-down blind and locate the Save Current As option there. Note, this Save option refers to the current workspace, not the current drawing. This option will allow us to create a copy of the current space, whatever it is, in this case, Drawing and Annotation. Now, let's click on the Save Current As option. Doing so will open the Save Workspace window. Let's give this new workspace a name, and type it into the typing box in this window. Attention, at the moment, the workspace we are creating is nothing more than a simple exact copy of the Drafting and Annotation space. It will only really make sense when we make changes to it, and we'll want the program to save the changes we'll make to our space in the future. So, let's arrange things to make that happen. Once you have chosen and typed the name in the writing box, click on the Save option in this window. Let's once again unfold the Workspaces blind. Now let's click on the Workspace Settings option. Now let's unfold the My Workspace drop-down blind and click on our newly created space. You'll also find it in the Menu Display and Order lists with a tick in its checkbox. The important thing now is that, in the option of Automatically Save Changes in the Workspace, we leave a black dot in its exclusion box, since, by default, the program does not save the changes we make in the workspaces. Then, click on the OK option. To customize your new space, you can see how to add toolbars in my tutorial, Add Toolbars in AutoCAD T209. That easy.